So welcome to Mumford Restoration again, where we're showing you some of the items that we've either brought into the shop or we've just completed. And so we want to encourage you to go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or to our YouTube channel and watch some of the cool things that we have restored. We have a great team, and maybe you have something that you'd like to restore. So today we are proud to show a really cool pier mirror, late 19th century piece. It has a removable crown and a marble setting, and it has a gilded panel above the mirror. This was in a pretty devastating fire. The whole top end of this piece was crispy and black. This piece of crown was very black. We had to turn new finials that were burned to a crisp from the heat. Some of this had to be reshaped, and so it was quite a restoration process. The mirror itself was broken and we replaced the glass. The marble was able to be cleaned and wet sanded. And so I believe that this will be a proud moment for when their house is rebuilt. We'll be able to put this piece back in along with many other pieces we've restored for this customer that had a tragic fire. So please send us something that we can restore for you. MumfordRestoration.com. Thanks for watching.